सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम नमः पाणिनिकात्यायन पतंजलिभ्यः शब्द विद्या संप्रदाय कर्तृभ्यो वंश ऋषिभ्यो महद्भ्यो मुनिभ्यो गुरुभ्यः नमस्कारः and welcome to 71st class today, and abhyasa is 275 पंचसप्तति उत्तर द्विशतम अभ्यासः द्विशतितमः अभ्यासः। Now in the 71st class today, 15th July, Panchami Prayoganam Avrutti, we are doing the revision, a kind of revision exercise, repetitive study, in order not to forget what has been so far studied. So it is Avrutti and Panchami Prayoganam, and that is also Panchami. Whatever Panchami we studied in the previous pages, we are going to, so one example is given here. Now, Krushakaha Mushakebhyaha Bhitaha Bhavanti. Pairs are given here in the column left side. Krushakaha Mushakaha. Krushakaha farmers, Mushakaha rats. You know, this is a phenomenon with the agriculture. The farmers have to take care of the rats eating into the cultivable land. They come and spoil the output. So that is what here Krushakaha Mushakebhyaha. Mushakaha is put in Panchami. Bhitaha Bhavanti, are afraid of the rats. Farmers are scared of the rats because rats spoil the entire land, tilled land or whatever crop is there, they eat away. So we have to go with the 9 more such pairs here. Bhitaha Bhavanti commonly used, and then this pair must be matched there. Then Mushakaha, put Marjara in Panchami Vibhakti. Mushakaha Marjarebhyaha Bhitaha Bhavanti. The rats are scared of Marjara, the cats. Rats are scared of rats. It started with this. Then we take Marjara is becoming the subject here. Marjaraha Shunakebhyaha Bhitaha Bhavanti. The cats are scared of, afraid of dogs. Shunaka, Shunakebhyaha, Kukkurebhyaha. If you take the other word Kukkura, which is commonly used, Kukkura, Kukkurebhyaha Bhitaha Bhavanti. So, Bhitrartanam Bhaya Hetuhu, there is a rule. Whenever you are scared of something, the source of your fear will be in Panchami. Only Panchami is put there. Balakaha Sarpat Bhitaha Bhavati. Boy is scared of a snake. Sarpat Panchami we use. We don't use any other vibhakti in Sarpa Shabda. We can't use Sarpena Bhitaha Bhavati, Sarpaya Bhitaha Bhavati. No, any, that is a plural or dual you can use. But Panchami Vibhakti should be used, either Ekavachana, Dvivachana or Bahuvachana. So Marjaraha Shunakebhyaha Bhitaha. Shunakebhyaha is Bahuvachana of Panchami. Shunakat, Shunakabhyam, Shunakebhyaha. Fourth one. Shunakaha Sarpebhyaha Bhitaha Bhavanti. So each one is afraid here, a series of fear shown. Shunakaha Sarpebhyaha Bhitaha Bhavanti. Sarpa, Pullinga Shabda. Sarpat, Sarpabhyam, Sarpebhyaha. Then Sarpaha Nakulaha, Nakulebhyaha Bhitaha Bhavanti. The snakes are scared of, afraid of what? Nakula, mongoose. Mongoose, you know, the moment a snake sees mongoose, there is a fight. Nakulaha, Sarpaha Nakulebhyaha Bhitaha Bhavanti. Up to that, there is a series of connections shown. Sixth one, Manavaha Vyagrebhyaha Bhitaha Bhavanti. Men are afraid of tigers. Men are scared of tigers. Vyaghraha dhanikjanebhyah bhitaah bhavanti. How are the tigers scared of the rich people? They may shoot them. Rich people, for their time pass, they may go for hunting. Hunting is a sport. Now it is banned, of course, but in the olden times it was a sport. All rich people used to go for hunting and they used to hunt even tiger. So, Vyagraha dhanikjanebhyah bhitaah bhavanti. Dhanikaah luntakebhyah bhitaah bhavanti. And these dhanikas, rich people, are scared of robbers, plunderers. Luntakebhyah, lunta. It is available as luntakaha, luntakaha. Luntakaha, dirgha is used here. Dhanikaah luntakebhyah bhitaah bhavanti. Luntakaah arakshakebhyah bhitaah bhavanti. And these robbers are scared of the cops, police. Arakshakebhyah bhitaah bhavanti. Arakshakaah varistebhyah bhitaah bhavanti. These policemen are scared of their superiors. Like sub-inspector is scared of inspector. Inspector is scared of ACP. ACP is scared of DCP. DCP is scared of CP. So, all the people whose source of fear is expressed, it must go to Panchami. That is the practice we have done here. And the next follows here, Shashti Prayoganam Avrittihi. And not that Panchami is used in only used in this sense. You know what is the primary meaning of Panchami? In the source of from. When any point of separation is to be shown, apadana. Apadane Panchami Vibhakti. So apadana means fruit falls from the tree. So you have to say from the tree only. Panchami has to be used there. Phalam vrikshat patati. Now we should not take only in fear we use Panchami. No, not like that. Any point of separation. I come from village. Aham gramat agacchami. Nagarat agacchami. So whether you, in those senses, in the sense of from also, we use Panchami very extensively. Like Akashat patitam toyam yatha gacchati sagaram. Akashat Panchami is used there. So that also has to be remembered. Now Shashti Prayoganam Avritti. Now repetition of sixth, I think similar sentences are given here. Etani bhavanani dhanikanam. Dhanikaha is used dhanikanam. Bracketed word should be used in Shashti Prayoga. Etani bhavanani dhanikanam. These are the buildings of rich people. That you can do very easily. All even viewers can do that. Etani pustakani chatranam. Etani pustakani chatranam. Etani patrani mahilanam. Mahila also goes same way in Shashti Bahuvachana. Mahilanam. Etani vastrani gruhininam. Gruhinyah is, now whatever is given in the bracket is Prathama Bahuvachana. Gruhinyah. Gruhini, Gruhinyau, Gruhinyah. That is the Ikaranta Strilinga Shabda. Doesn't matter. Gruhini Nam. Etani Vastrani Gruhini Nam. Fifth.
Etani Karyani.
Vayam is used. What is Vayam first of all? It is pronoun, Asmad, personal pronoun. Aham, Avam, Vayam. Asmad Shabda. Aham, Avam, Vayam. Vayam is given in plural, asking you to do it in plural Shashti of Asmad Shabda. Mama, Avayoho, Asmakam. So you use Asmakam there. Etani Karyani, Asmakam. Asmakam. Similarly, sixth.
Etani Phalani.
Now, opposite of Vayam is Yuyam. Tvam, Yuvam, Yuyam. And go to sixth, Shashti of Ishmat Shabda. Tava, Yuvayoho, Ishmakam. Tava, your, Yuvayoho, you, of you both, Ishmakam, of you all. Opposite of Mama is Tava. Avayoho, Yuvayoho. Asmakam, Ishmakam. Same Vibhakti, Shashti, but Shabda is, Asmat Shabda is Yushmat Shabda. Here Yushmat Shabda, UM, Yushmakam. Etani phalani Yushmakam. These are your fruits. Meaning is, these are your fruits. Seventh.
एताः
Sanchikaha. Now, Karyalayaha, Pullinga Shabda, Bahuvachan is given. Put it in Shashti Bahuvachan. Karyalayanam. Etaha Sanchikaha Karyalayanam. These are the bags of the office. Next.
एताः लेखन्यः बालिकानां
Etaha Lekhanyah Balikanam. No problem. Balikanam. Ninth.
एते आदेशाः अध्यापकानां
Ete Adeshaha Adhyapakanam. Adhyapaka Pullinga Shabda Akaranta Pullinga Shabda Adhyapakanam. These are the orders of the teachers. 10th one.
एषा संख्या सर्वाणां
Samstha.
एषा संस्था सर्वाणां
Sarve is there na? Sarvesham. Sarva Shabda differently derives. Sarvasya, Sarvayoho, Sarvesham. If it is Trilinga, it is different. Sarvasyaha, Sarvayoho, Sarvasam. Sarve comes in Pullinga only. Sarvaha, Sarvahu, Sarve. Strilinga, Sarva, Sarve, Sarvaha. Napumsakalinga, Sarvam, Sarvam, Sarvam. Sarvam, Sarvam, Sarvam. Sarva Shabda it is. All. So, Esha Samstha Sarvesham. So, we'll just go back a little for the viewer's sake. Shashti Vibhakti, the Panchami is very easy. Etani bhavanani dhanikanam. Etani pustakani chatranam. Etani patrani mahilanam. Etani vastrani gruhininam. Gruhininam. Shall I write this one? A little. This is Shashti, Gruhininam. And what else is there? Next, Etani Karyani Asmakam. That also, next also. Yeah, what is the number of this, Srinivas? This is fifth, sixth one, Yushmakam. Etani Karyani Yushmakam. And the remaining are easy. Etaha Sanchikaha Karyalayanam. Etaha Lekhanyah Balikanam. Ete Adeshaha Adhyapakanam. Esha Samstha Sarvesham. This one is Sarvesham. 10th one in the 6th differs. Of course, here the sentence is ending, so put a full stop. Agre Gachamaha will go ahead. Abhyasaha Saptasaptati Uttara Dvishatatamaha. 277th exercise. Saptami Prayoganam Avrittihi. Now we are going to see once again repetitive study of the Saptami Vibhakti. Panchami we have seen just now, Shashti we have seen, and Saptami is coming up. One is usually done for us. Nrupaha Prasadeshu Nivasanti. Commonly used verb is Nivasanti everywhere. Kings live in the palaces. Prasadeshu, which is Saptami Bahuvachana. How do you derive the Ekavachana Dvivachana? Prasade, Prasadayoho, Prasadeshu. So we'll go. Dhanikaha Bhavaneshu Nivasanti. Now at the same time, all the bracketed words, try to understand their gender and ending. Ending, if you get the ending, then you can go to the gender. For example, this is Bhavanan is Napumsakalinga. Bhavanam, Bhavane, Bhavanani. Like Pustakam, Pustake, Pustakani. Napumsaka. But a Napumsaka Akaranta, a Pumlinga Akaranta, both derive same in all the cases except Prathama Dvitiya. That we have already noted. Whatever is there in the Pullinga Akaranta will be there in Akaranta Napumsakalinga as well. So Bhavanani becomes Bhavaneshu, Rameshu, Deveshu, like. Then third one. Nirdhanaha Gruheshu. Gruhani is also Napumsakalinga Shabda. Gruham Akaranta. Gruham, Gruhe, Gruhani. So Gruhe, Gruhayoho, Gruheshu. You have done correctly. Nirdhanaha Gruheshu Nivasanti. Poor men live in their homes. Next.
Munayaha
Kutireshu. Again Kutirani is also Napumsaka. Kutiram, Kutire, Kutirani. Kutire, Kutirayoho, Saptami. Kutire, Kutirayoho, Kutireshu Nivasanti. So the sages live in the huts. Then fifth.
Mushakaha Bileshu
Bilam, Bile, Bilan. This is also like Akaranta, Napumsakalinga Shabda. Bilam, Bile, Bilan. The Mushaka, rats live in the holes, in their holes. Sarpaha Bileshu Nivasanti. Snakes live in the snake holes. Next. 7. Vanaraha Vriksheshu Nivasanti. Monkeys live on the trees. Vriksheshu, correct. 8th one. Sukaha. There you have gone. Sukaha Vriksha Shakhasu. Shakha Shabda in Sanskrit is Akaranta Strilinga. But you cannot know, it is looking exactly like any other Pullinga Shabda. Akaranta Strilinga Shabda Bahuvachana, Akaranta Pullinga Shabda Bahuvachana are same. For example, let me show you on the board. That should not be a confusion. Rama Shabda you take. Ramaha. Okay? This is Bahuvachana. Prathama Bahuvachana. This is first plural. You take Rama Shabda. Rama, Rame, Ramaha. They here commonly seen is this. If you compare this, both are same. Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha. This is Rama Shabda. Only thing is here, Rasva is there. There is no Dirgha. But if you look to only the ending part, this is Pullinga Shabda. This is Strilinga Shabda. So you could not make out here. What is the Shabda that is there? Shakha. Now for example, you take Shakha. Shakha it is. Exactly looking like Rama. See. Rama, Rama, Rama. See. No difference here. Here is Dirgha, here is Dirgha. Here is Aha Dirgha, here is also Aha Dirgha. Shakha. So but Shakha is Strilinga Shabda. This is Strilinga. What is Strilinga? Akaranta Strilinga. Akaranta. This is Akaranta. This is Akaranta. Sorry, Akaranta. Akaranta. What is our next sentence? Shakhasu. Su. Not shu. Su. Shakhasu. Sukaha Vriksha Shakhasu Nivasanti. Khagaha. The meaning is parrots live on the branches of the trees. Parrots. Sukaha Vriksha Shakhasu Nivasanti. Khagaha.
Nidasu.
No, Nidani it is. You are forgetting Nidani is like above so many we have done. Napumsakalinga Shabda. Nideshu. Khagaha Nideshu Nivasanti. Khagaha birds live in their nests. Nida is nest. Good. Nest. Nest. Khagaha Nideshu Nivasanti. Birds live in their nests. It's an Nidam, Nide, Nidan. Nidam. Vanam. Just like Bhavanam. Bhavanam, Pustakam, Nidam. नीडानि
वीरेषु
नीडेषु. 10th, वन्यजीवाः
वनेषु
वनेषु निवसन्ति. Wild animals live in the forests. In the forest. So here, this is a very simple exercise relatively, except I think I have written one or two. Only this doubt clear. Vriksha Shakhasu, one Strilinga Shabda, the remaining are Pullinga and Napumsakalingas. And when it is Napumsakalinga and Pullinga Akaranta, it is both are same derived. Derived in the same manner. So we can very easily pass on to the next page with a new Abhyasa. Vibhakti Abhyasaha Saptasu Vibhaktishu Prayoga. Now we are going to see here in all the 7 cases. Practice in all the 7 cases once again. Now one word Rama Shabda is picked up here and it is shown in all the 7 cases. You can see Ramaha. You can see the Rama Shabda, show them also, which is highlighted, printed in the book. It, what do you call?
box.
No, not box. Highlighted, word is highlighted. Bold, it is printed bold. Ramaha, Ramam, Ramena, Ramaya, Ramat, Panchami, Ramasya, Rame. This is the Akaranta Pullinga Rama Shabda derived in all the 7 cases. Ramaha, now one sentence he has devoted for each vibhakti. Ramaha Prathama, Akaranta Pullinga Prathama Ekavachana. Okay? Ramaha Pujam Karoti. Rama is doing his puja. Rama is worshipping. Now second, Sevakaha.
Ramam Namati.
Now that Rama Shabda Prathama has come to Dvitiya here. Sevakaha Ramam Namati. Servant salutes Rama. Rama is here the object. In the first sentence, Rama is subject who is doing his worship. Ramaha Pujam Karoti. Ramaha Karta. Kartrusthanam Prathama. Karma sthanam dvitiya. Karma means object. Karmani dvitiya, we say. So, sevakaha Ramam namati. A servant salutes to Rama. Third one.
Ramena
Saha vartalapam karomi. Ramena saha aham vartalapam karomi. Now, Rama Shabda is changed to Trutiya. Ramena. Ramena saha. Along with Rama, I do chit chat. I chit chat with Rama. I gossip with Rama. Not Rama here does not mean Lord Rama. There are so many Ramas in India. Rama is a person's name here, not to be confused. How these persons are saying that they are talking to Rama? How is it possible? Doubt should be there. So Rama is a general name here. Fourth one, Ramaya
Vaideshika
Sangeetam na rochate. Vaideshika Sangeetam na rochate. Now when something is liked or not liked, we put Ruchyarthanam Priyamanaha Chaturthi. So whatever you like, so that person who likes something, so you go to Chaturthi. No. That is going by that rule. Now here, what is that? Ramaya. Rama is the person who does not like or likes. Ramaya Vaideshika Sangeetam, foreign music. Na rochate. For Rama, Western music is not, in simple terms, Rama does not like Western music. Simple terms. In English, Western music is not palatable to Rama. That is it. So Ramaya only. Supposing Rama likes Western music, Ramaya Vaideshika Sangeetam rochate. Mahyam rotika rochate. I like eating roti. Mahyam rotika na rochate. I don't like. So Chaturthi is used in this sense. Fifth.
Ramat Dhanam Swikarotu.
Panchami. Somebody is asking, take money from Rama. Now just now I told you, Panchami is not only expressing fear, but it is used primarily in the sense of from. रामात् धनं स्वीकरोतु, टेक मनी फ्रॉम राम. नेक्स्ट.
रामस्य उपनेत्रं
कुत्र अस्ति? रामस्य उपनेत्रम, the specs is called upanetram. Where is the specs of Rama? Now here is position, relation. Remember Shashti Vibhakti, we have already discussed that, shows the meaning of possession and relation. Like Ramaha Dasharathasya Putraha, Sri Ramachandraha Dasharathasya Putraha. There we are showing the relation. Lord Sri Rama is the son of Dasharatha. Here possession. Here also relation we are showing. Ramasya upanetram kutra asti. Where is the specs of Rama? If remember one more point I told you. When you express a sentence like I have, I don't have in English, then also you use Shashti. Mama samipe asti. Mama samipe karyanam nasti. Bhavatah samipe asti. You have. So to avoid the confusion, we use samipe. Just to say, create, no, not to create any confusion. Mama means not mine, but I have. So generally we use samipe. For example, Ramasya Dasharathasya Chatvaraha Putraha. If a sentence is there, Dasharathasya Chatvaraha Putraha means Dasharatha has 4 sons. There it is possessive sense we have to take. 7th one.
Rame Naipunyam
Asti. 7th. What is the meaning in 7th? In Rame Naipunyam Asti. There is skill in Rama. There is skill in Rama. So this way Rama Shabda is once again recalled here from Prathama to Saptami. Now what he is asking you to do here, Srinivas, Janaka Shabda you put in the place of Rama. That means you derive Janaka just like Rama Shabda, and with using this object and this verb, same verb and object which are given in the second column of the exercise, you can do that. Janakaha Pujam Karoti. Prathama is over. Now, Janakam.
Sevakaha Janakam Namati.
That is it. Exactly. Sevakaha, you just copy the above sentences. Sevakaha Janakam Namati. Third, Sevakena
Saha Aham Vartalapam Karom.
Janakena Saha Aham Vartalapam Karom. Very good. Fourth, Chaturthi.
Janakaya Vaideshika Sangeetam
Na rochate. Father doesn't like Western music. Janakaya Vaideshika Sangeetam na rochate. Fifth,
Janakat Dhanam Swikarotu.
take money from the father.
Janakasya Upanetram Kutra Asti.
Where is the specs of father?
Janake Naipunyam Asti.
There is skill in father. So it is so simple that if you remember, I have told you in the beginning, if you learn one Akaranta Pumlinga Shabda, you are learning hundreds and thousands. Take it. One Akaranta learning solves learning of hundreds of Akaranta, because number of Shabdas in Sanskrit are more in Akaranta only. The first alphabet of the letter A, that has number of nouns. So learning one noun solves so many. Automatically. Next, Sevaka. You can put Sevaka in the same way.
Sevakaha Pujam
Karoti. Yes, Sevak. Sevakaha Sevakam Namati. What happens? You can do nothing. Yes, one servant is saluting another servant. It can be there, na? Colleagues. Sevakaha Sevakam Namati. Sevakena Aham Karomi. I do gossip with the servant. Sevakaya
Vaideshika Sangeetam
Na rochate. Sevakat.
Dhanam Swikarotu.
This is not good. Sevakat Dhanam Swikarotu is not good. The meaning part of it is. Okay.
सेवकस्य उपनेत्रं कुत्र अस्ति सेवके नैपुण्यम् अस्ति
that is okay, except one, taking money from the servant is not good. We always give him, we don't take, just a joke. So this way you can derive Rama, Janaka, Sevaka. Why only Sevaka and all? Ananta, Narayana, Achyuta, Govinda, Mukunda, and so many Shabdas are derived in the same way. Now what is given in the next across the page? Abhyasa is changing, 279. I think still we are doing here Napumsaka Linga Shabdas. We are practicing Napumsaka derivation. Now Srinivas, as I just told you, Akaranta Pullinga and Akaranta Napumsaka Linga both are same. The difference lies only in Prathama Dvitiya. Prathama Dvitiya of Akaranta Napumsaka Linga are always derived exactly the same way. From Trutiya Vibhakti to Saptami Vibhakti, an Akaranta Napumsaka Linga resembles its counterpart Akaranta Pullinga Shabda. We have seen that. Vanam, Vane, Vanani. Vanam, Vane, Vanani. What is Prathama in Napumsaka is also the same in the Dvitiya. What about from Trutiya to Saptami? It is resembling exactly Akaranta Pullinga Shabda. No difference. You can see that here. But he is not giving that way. Yana, yes. Yanam. So Napumsaka is given here. Yanam gacchati. Meaning a vehicle goes or going. A vehicle is going. Then Dvitiya. You use Dvitiya of Yanam. Yanam only. Saha Yanam Krinati. He buys a vehicle. Vehicle goes. Where vehicle is used in Prathama. Vehicle is going. He buys a vehicle. Saha Yanam. Again Yanam. Why? Napumsaka Linga Shabda it is. No change. Yanam, Yane, Yanani. Vanam, Vane, Vanani. Vanam, Vane, Vanani. So Saha Yanam Krinati. He buys a vehicle. Third. Now third here onwards, you take Yana and derive like Rama Shabda or Deva Shabda. Yanena Gacchati. Rama Yanena Gacchati. Rama goes by vehicle. Next. Yanaya. Saha Yanena Yanaya. Ramaya. Saha Yanaya Pancha Sahasra Rupyakani Dattavan. Pancha Sahasra. 5,000 rupees. Saha Yanaya Pancha Sahasra Rupyakani Dattavan. He has given 5,000 rupees for the vehicle purchase. Fifth, Panchami. Rameshaha Yanat. Yanam Yanat. Rameshaha Yanat Patitavan. Ramesha has fallen from the vehicle. Sixth, Yanasya. Ramasya Yanasya. Yanasya Varnaha Sundar. The color of the vehicle is beautiful. Next. Yane Janahana Santi. There are no people in the vehicle. Santi. Yane Janahana Santi. So Yanam, Yanena, Yanaya, Yanat, Yanasya, Yane. It is the same way now as Pullinga Shabda. So you do the next Akaranta Napumsaka Linga in the same way. No, that is third one. Will come down. Vimanam. That also you can do. What is there?
Vimanam patati.
Meaning now Vimanam patati Prathama. Vimanam, let us recall. Vimanam, Vimane, Vimanani. Vimanam, Vimane, Vimanani. Vimanena, Vimanaya, Vimanat, Vimanasya, Vimane. Like Devi. Okay, now you do. Vimanam patati. An aeroplane falls. Vayam Vimanam Pashyam. We see a aeroplane. Te Vimanena Prayanam Kurvanti. Te Vimanena Prayanam. They travel by aeroplane. Fourth. Shilatailam Avashakam. Vimanaya Utkrustam, the best Shilatailam petrol. Vimanaya Utkrustam Shilatailam Avashakam. Best petrol, purest petrol is required for the aircraft. Next. Avataranti. Vimanat Janaha Avataranti. People or getting down from the aeroplane.
विमानस्य शब्दः अधिकः भवति.
विमानस्य शब्दः अधिकः भवति. The sound of aircraft is more. Upavishanti. Many people sit in the aircraft. Vimane. So what we have done? Vimanam, Vimanam, Vimanena, Vimanaya, Vimanat, Vimanasya, Vimane, Bahujanaha Upavishanti. So this way, Napumsaka Linga Shabda. One more practice of the Napumsaka Akaranta Pullinga, Mitram. Third one. Mitram Hasati. Friend is laughing.
Mitram Svagruham
Ahvayami. Now the same when it is put in Dvitiya, it becomes Mitram Gruham Ahvayami. I am inviting my friend home. I invite my friend to my home. Next.
Mitrena
Mitrena. Exactly like Ramena. Sorry. Mitraya Snehaha Rochate. My friend likes friendship, affection. Take a cloth from the friend. Nama Sutosha. Mama Mitrasya Nama Sutosha. My friend's name is Sutosh. Or you say Santosh, whatever it is. There is friendliness in my friend. Mama Mitre Sneha Shilata Asti. So this way, Napumsakalinga Shabda, Pullinga Shabda are recalled in all the 7 cases in the 2 pages, 38 and 39 pages. Abhyasa 280 now, going to Sarvanama Shabdanam Saptasu Vibhaktishu Prayoga. Now we also studied, Srinivas, the pronouns. What pronouns we studied? Tat, Etat, Kim, and then in their, these pronouns, apart from these personal pronouns, Asmad and Ishmad, which we recalled just now, these pronouns need to be derived in all the 3 persons. Tat derived in 3 lingas, 3 genders. Tat is derived in Pullinga, Tat is derived in Strilinga, Tat is derived in Napumsakalinga. Pullinga, Napumsakalinga, same from 3rd case to 7th case that you remember. Now Strilinga is different. Similarly, Etat pronoun. Derivation of part of Tat and Etat is only in Etat you have to extra take A letter. Vowel A is extra, that's all. And then Kim. Instead of Putta, Takara, you put Kakara and you derive same way Kim. So for example, Tat Pullinga runs like this. Saha, Tau, Te. Kim Pullinga, Kaha, Kau, Ke. Saha, Tau, Te, Kaha, Kau, Ke. Etat becomes A additional. Eshaha, Etau, Ete. Because of A, Sandhi, that Saha becomes Sha. Eshaha, Etau, Ete. Everything is same. So I always recommend, if you learn one pronoun also, that is Tat, in Pullinga, in Strilinga and in Napumsakalinga, you can automatically have command over Etat, Kim, Yat and Sarva Shabda also. These pronouns automatically follow. Only one is to be learnt in the beginning perfectly. So here is some Sarvanama Shabdas. Practice. Kim is given and Etat is also given. Tat is also given on the other page. Personal pronouns are also coming up next. Now look here. Ka Vidyalayam Gacchati. Now Kim is interrogative pronoun. Kim is interrogative. Ka. Ka means who. Kaha means who. Kim means what. Not who but what. Kim Tatra. Tatra Kim Asti. What is there? Tatra Ka Asti. Who is there? Which lady is there? Tatra Kaha Asti. Which person is there? Male person. So you can see Tatra Kim Asti refers to a neuter thing. Tatra Ka Asti refers to a female person. Tatra Kaha Asti refers to a male person. Here we are doing with Kim in Strilinga. Ka Vidyalayam Gacchati. Who goes to the school? Now answer you can see in the Etat pronoun. Etat you derive in Strilinga. He wants you to derive. So how do you derive? Like ka, it becomes esha. Esha vidyalayam gacchati. This woman or girl or lady goes to the school. So you put here esha vidyalayam gacchati. Next, kam
अध्यापकः
आह्वयति. Kam adhyapakah आह्वयति. Whom is the teacher calling? Etam, kam etam. Etam adhyapakah आह्वयति. Teacher is calling this. Next. Kaya
विना
Sushila na tishtati. Without whom does Sushila not stay? Then here etaya vina Sushila na tishtati. Etaya. What etat becomes etaya. Kaya etaya. Next. Kasyai pushpam rochati. Etasyai pushpam rochati. Etasyai on the opposite side. Fifth.
कस्याः पुस्तकं रमा स्वीकरोति.
Now, etasyaha pustakam rama svikaroti. Etat becomes Strilinga etasyaha. Sixth.
कस्याः गृहं
Jayanagare asti. Whose house is in Jayanagar, which is in Bangalore, in India. Is a place name of the place. Kasyaha gruham Jayanagare asti. Etasyaha gruham Jayanagare asti. The house of this lady is in Jayanagar. Next.
कस्याः भाषण
Kasyam
कस्यां भाषणकला
kala. Bhashana kala asti. Bhashana kala. Kasyam bhashana kala asti. In whom is the speaking skill? Etasyam bhashana kala asti. In this lady there is speaking skill. Okay. Now watch here. Fifth and sixth. Have you seen this? Show them also. Fifth ekavachana, sixth they repeated.
कस्याः
Same. Kasyaha kasyaha. No. Fifth and sixth, Srinivas. Both are repeated. Kasyaha kasyaha. Saptami it becomes yam kasyam. So likewise on the opposite side etad you are deriving etad just like so. But I said if you learn tat you can learn all these things. Book is giving Kim here for showing you some interrogative sentences. Now we go to tat in Strilinga in the next page. Is it clear now?
Sure.
May I repeat? I will repeat it. Ka becomes esha. Kam becomes etam. Kaya becomes etaya. Kasyai becomes etasyai. Kasyaha becomes etasyaha. Kasyaha etasyaha. Kasyam etasyam. Shall we write? The answers will be like this. Okay, better read. It doesn't take much time. The opposite side, etat, Strilinga, you please take this answers. First one becomes Esha, Prathama. Second, Etam. Ka becomes Etam. What is the following word? Etam? Adhyapaka. So Etam should be written like this. Yes, Etam. Next. Etaya. Etaya vina sushila. Fourth. Etasyai. Next. Etasyaha pustakam rama svikaroti. Sixth. Again etasyaha. अस्ति. कस्याम भाषण कला अस्ति. एतस्याम भाषण कला अस्ति. एतस्याम भाषण कला अस्ति. Now these are the answers. एषा, एताम, एतया, एता, एतस्यै, एतस्याः, एतस्याः, एतस्याम. Just like का, काम, कया, कस्यै, etc. Now we will try with tat. I think same sentences you can pick up, only change tat into Strilinga Shabda. Sa, it becomes sa. Sa Vidyalayam Gacchati. Oh no, does he want us to make interrogative? I don't know. Let me see. Kim Shabda Strilinga. Well, you only take. We will take answers. Put this in the place of ka, he says. Kim Shabda Sthane, you put. So we will put here. Sa Vidyalayam Gacchati. She goes to the school. Next. Tat, first Prathama becomes sa. Then becomes tam. Tam. Kam becomes tam. Tam Adhyapakaha Ahvayati. Taya. Now here it is very simple. Tat in feminine is derived replacing ka by ta. That's all. Taya vina sushilana tisthati. Tasyai pushpam rochate. Tasyaha pustakam rama svikaroti. Tasyaha griham jayanagare asti. Tasyam bhashana kala asti. It's that simple. I hope viewers also get it. You please do derive this tat strilinga by replacing the ta from the ka letter from Kim Shabda, replace it with takara. Ka becomes sa, only here the change comes. It is not becomes ta, but sa, tam, taya, tasyai, tasyaha, tasyam. Now, third one, bhavat Shabda, recall. Recall Bhavat Shabda in Strilinga Shabda. This may be a little difficult now. Bhavati, it becomes Bhavati, Prathama Ekvachana, Bhavati Vidyalayam Gacchati. You are going to the school. Bhavatim Adhyapakaha Ahvayati. Teacher is calling you. Bhavatim. Bhavatya. Now some similarity will get. Bhavatya vina sushilana tishtati. Without you, Sushila doesn't stay. Bhavatyai pushpam rochate. You like flower. Bhavatyaha pustakam rama svikaroti. Bhavatyaha gruham jayanagare asti. Bhavatyam bhashana kala asti. I think this needs to be written. So only bhavat I will write in all the 7 cases. You can write here. Let it be there. Bhavati and follows. You copy the same Kim sentence here. Bhavatim. Bhavatim adhyapakaha ahvayati. Third one. Bhavatya. Bhavatya. Saha, etc. Chaturthi. Bhavatyai. Panchami.
Bhavatyaha.
Shashti, same. Saptami, Bhavatyam. Bhavatyam. Bhashana kala asti, etc. This is how Bhavati Shabda is derived. What is next? Asmad. Asmad orally we will do, and then I will have to write it again. Asmad is I, Ishmad is you pronoun. These are 2 personal pronouns which we studied earlier. Now you take Asmad. Aham Vidyalayam Gacchami. Now not Gacchati. You can't say Aham Vidyalayam Gacchati means you go home only now. No learn. The verb changes here. If you copy the pattern here, the verb has to change because first person is coming up here. Aham Vidyalayam Gacchami. Doing with this Asmad and copying those pattern sentence. Okay? Second one. Mam. Mam अध्यापकः आह्वयति माम् अहम बिकम्स माम् माम् अध्यापकः आह्वयति थर्ड वन मया मया विना सुशीला न गच्छति now fourth one totally different not my comes here मह्यम पुष्पम रोचते I like flower मह्यम we'll write this Srinivas. Fifth one mat this is also different mat pustakam Rama svikaroti Rama takes a book from me. Sixth Shashti mama gruham Jayanagare asti my home is in Jayanagar. And Saptami becomes Mai Bhashanakala Asti. This is how the Shashti, complete derivation of Asmat Shabda is done. We will write now parallelly both these. Asmat and Ishmat. This is you pronoun, this is I pronoun. Now here we go. Prathama aham. Prathama tvam. Okay, now we go with the Dutiya. Mam adhyapakah ahvayati. Tvam adhyapakah ahvayati. Oh, mam. If you write in sentence, this has to be written out like this. Mam, tvam. Because vowel is following there, so we need to write the sound completely. Then Tritiya, na? What is become Maya? Maya by me. Maya, Saha, etc. Tvaya, opposite Tvaya, with you. Maya with me, Tvaya with you. Fourth, Mahyam, this is totally different. Mahyam phalam rochate. Tubhyam, opposite is Tubhyam. Tubhyam phalam rochate. Next, Panchami. Mat pustakam svikaroti. Tvat, here is Tvat. Then Shashti. Mama, my. Mama, nama, etc. Tava, it becomes Tava here. Your. Then Saptami. My. This becomes Tvai. Now this is the contrast. You can see now Ishmad and Asmad. Let them watch for a while. All this we have done previously, but we forget mostly. So, going with the sentence, Aham Vidyalayam Gacchami, Tvam Vidyalayam Gacchasi. Verb changes there. Aham Gacchami, Tvam Gacchasi. Mam Adhyapakaha Ahvayati, Tvam Adhyapakaha Ahvayati. Same. Third one. Maya Vina Sushila na tishtati, Tvaya Vina Sushila na tishtati. Same. Mahyam Pushpam Rochate, Tubhyam Pushpam Rochate. That part is same. Mat Pustakam Rama svikaroti. Rama takes a book from me. Tvat Pustakam Rama svikaroti. Also same. Sixth, Mama Gruham Jayanagare asti. Tava Gruham Jayanagare asti. Same thing. Mai Bhashanakala. What is that? Bhashanakala asti. Tvai Bhashanakala asti. Bhavatyam Bhashanakala asti. These are some of the very important pronouns. We have to learn. I mean, go slowly and learn them. So is it okay?
Yeah.
So this way we have done. Now some more exercise on this is coming up in next page with abhyasa changing into 6.2.3 vibhakti abhyasa, abhyasa 281 saptasu vibhaktishu prayogaha. Now what is showing you here, another way of learning and doing the exercise here. You have to write out in each what do you say, 3, 3, 6, 7 is given, 3, 7, 8. 7 vibhaktis are given here in a circular manner. You have to list them and write out, practice in the right side. For example, now Rama is the subject there. Appropriate vibhakti you have to use Rama Shabda with these sentences. Can you try one? Where? First one, here down. Okay. Ramaha Vidyalayam Gacchati. Ramaha Vidyalayam Gacchati. Prathama is over. So you write out in Prathama section. Number 1. Dvitiya. Where is Dvitiya Rama Shabda? Where Dvitiya Rama Shabda you have to use. That you have to. From this Ramaha Vidyalayam Gacchati, just go up. Third arrow. After Sadguna, above Sadguna. Atra Ahvayatu. Atra. So there Ramam Atra Ahvayatu. Call Rama here. This is Dvitiya. Okay, now look for Tritiya. It is left side. Ramena Saha Aham na Gacchami. I don't go with Rama. I am not going along with Rama. This is Tritiya. Where is Chaturthi? Chaturthi top, on the top. Ramaya etat pustakam dadatu. Yes, give this book to Rama. Ramaya etat pustakam dadatu. Chaturthi. Panchami. Is there below. Ramat bhavan dhanam swikarotu. Take money from Rama. You take money from Rama. Ramat bhavan dhanam swikarotu. This is the Panchami. Next Shashti has to be seen. Where? No, that is Saptami. Shashti. No, in this one, down Rama arrow. Aham na gacchami down. Ramasya pustake ma likatu. Don't write in the book of Rama. Then Saptami, right side. Rame sadgunaha santi. You have to pick up from the. Is it okay? Now this the students have to do also. Are they seeing? Is it there on the monitor? Can you show them with mouse? Show Prathama first. Vidyalayam Gacchati. Prathama. Ramaha Vidyalayam Gacchati. Then show them Dvitiya above. Atra Ahvay. Ramam Atra Ahvayatu. Third one left. Show them left. Ramena Saha Aham na Gacchami. Fourth one you show them top. On the top arrow. Ramaya etat pustakam dadatu. Fifth one you show them just below that. Ramat bhavan dhanam swikarotu. Sixth one you show them down. Ramasya pustake malikatu. Saptami you show them to the extreme right vertical. Rame sadgunaha santi. So total Rama Shabda is recalled here and looking at the, how much are we left with? 1 minute. So we'll stop here. So this way you have to practice. Now those who are watching continuously have to be thorough with these exercises. These are very fundamentals to learn Sanskrit, and later you can follow on your own some of the texts, beginner's text. Okay? Shivam Bhuyat.